Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Suzuki Grand Vitara GV3 Navigator, stock reference number 4953. This shape runs from the 8th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents and a fold on the front edge. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Spare wheel cover. Hard type. Tailgate has 1 dent. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right door 6 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.